Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keeps crashing in Amazon Music. So if your Amazon Music keeps crashing, it's usually caused by app bugs, storage issues or connection problems. So actually guys, first I do really advise you to force close the app and reopen it, okay? So to do that, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just go ahead and swipe up Amazon Music app from the recent apps, okay? So that way you will close it completely and remove it from the recent apps. So this fixes temporary glitches, okay? And also they really advise you to do a phone's restart, okay? So just restart your phone. That's simple but very effective, and that will clear the memory issues that cause crashes. Also guys, I really want you to check your internet connection, so you can go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and try a faster and stable connection, because weak internet can crash streaming apps. And why not, you can also check for an update. So just go with your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, look for Amazon Music by using the search bar, Music, okay? So this is the app. Go with it, find it and tap it, and now just tap on updates if available. Okay, so the crashes are often fixed in the updates. Also, we really want you to go with the settings and then just go with the storage or general option first. So it's the first option right here, as you can see, general, and then just go with iPhone storage as the third option. And here you will need to make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free, and just delete the unused apps files if needed. So low storage equal frequent crashes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.